So what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we've helped hundreds of thousands, okay, maybe not hundreds of thousands, but we help hundreds of people, though, hit that six-figure level with their cleaning company. We can help you, too, but that's not exactly what I'm here to talk about today. Well, I actually am here to talk about Clean Biz Network, but in a different way, and I'm serious about, like, this is something serious, so I just want to skip the whole intro and just get right into it, all right? So if you can see right here, let me take myself off the screen here. You can see that I'm on my website right now, and there's been some changes. You don't see a Cleaning Business Starter Kit here anymore. All you see is two things: either join Clean Biz Network or get the Cleaning Business Automation Program. That is it. Okay, that is it. And I want to explain all of the updates. All right. So yes, first thing first. Yes, we do still sell starter kits. Okay, but the starter kits are not the same anymore. So let's just click on the first thing. All right. So if you want to join Clean Business Network, you click here. You click learn more about it. All right. And so everything that we used to have, all of our flagship stuff, is now moved here. Okay. So as you can see, this says Calculated Clean. We're in the process of turning our Calculated Clean app into Clean Biz Network. So you see the logo was already here, right? So this is the new Clean Biz Network. The Calculated Clean app is now Clean Biz Network. If you joined Calculated Clean early out, I told y'all this about a month ago on my community tab on YouTube. So make sure that you have alerts on, you subscribe to me, and the notification bell is on to my YouTube channel so you can know things like this, all right? Because those people that got in here early, getting all of this stuff grandfathered in on their early trial, and especially those people who joined super early way back when it used to be $29 a month, right? So that's one thing about me. The earlier you get in with me, the better it's going to be for you, because I'm always improving, and lots of times things will get better, and if you buy in early, you get the perks that the new people going to get later on. But anyway, at a way cheaper rate, right? So here's the deal. Both of these plans are exactly the same. It's just this is the annual plan and this is the monthly plan. So today you can join Clean Business Network for just $49. The Cleaning Business Starter course is included in this, all right? So you don't have to worry about buying a course anymore. It's automatically included. The social network is included. The bidding calculators for all different niches. I'm talking about commercial, residential, and then special services as well. When I say special service, I mean strip and wax, pressure washing, scrub and recoat, carpet cleaning, window, you name it is in there. We got a calculator for that, all right? Unlimited proposals. You can make as many proposals as you want, as many walkthroughs as you want, because we have a walkthrough too that lets you take pictures and note the square footage and everything all in the app. Unlimited inspections, so you can do inspections in the app. You get leads, so we got a new discounted lead program, and leads are only available to Clean Biz Network members now. All right, so since it's only available to Clean Biz Network members, we said, you know what, let's give it to them at a discount since they're already paying the $49 a month, and you'll get discounted leads and no longer $125. Okay, so get in here, you see how much discounted it really is. We got an invoice generator. You can order supplies. So remember, I told you the starter kits are not gone. So if you join the network, you can order a new starter kit at any time. So you might just need equipment. You got a new building, just order another kit. Okay. Weekly coaching calls. I'm still doing the weekly coaching calls, but I can't tell you how long I'm gonna keep doing that, y'all. Because what's happening is this is a whole system. It's gonna get to the point where I'm gonna have so many different people in this network that can just mentor. You guys can mentor each other, and I can just kind of back out of this thing, right? I want to kind of start easing away from the coaching, if I'm honest with you, and start just basically making sure I'm building tools for people to have successful cleaning companies. That's just it. All right. You see we got a few testimonials down here. This is also where you can get your starter kit. All right. So if you click here because you need supplies, just click that button. And as you can see, the starter kit is still available. It's $9.99. It comes with all the equipment that you'll ever need. Here's the details about it. There's a video that you can watch about it. And this is all of the equipment here. All right. So you can see all the equipment still comes with it. The only difference is the starter kit is not coming with starter kit course and leads and all of that no more. All of that is now in the Clean Biz Network. So everything you could ever need is inside Clean Biz Network. Okay, coaching group, courses, you name it, is in there. So once you become a member and you click home, let me just log in. Okay, so first I'm going to go get out of this private browser so I can go to a one that I'm already logged into. All right. So I'm going to calculatedclean.net. Eventually that will be cleanbiznetwork.com. All right, but it takes time to update these things. I've been trying to do it as fast as possible without confusing too many people. All right, so as you can see right now, I'm inside of the Clean Biz Network. This is a real social network, y'all. You can like, love, subscribe, everything. You see all of the members in here. We have a ton of members. It says we have over 5,000 members, but a lot of those are dead, inactive people, and I'm gonna go in and scrub all of those. But we definitely have hundreds of members. All right, so you can literally upload videos, pictures, you name it. So anytime you got a question, you upload it to this group, and somebody's gonna get in there and help you. A lot of times, especially early on while we getting it rolling, it's gonna be me. Okay, so if you want my undivided attention, you want me to be your mentor, you want me to coach you, this is the way to do it. Join Clean Biz Network, and 9 times out of 10, I'm going to be the one that's going to help you out with this stuff. All right. I mean, you can see some of the people. Angela already got 2 walkthroughs. All right, or did she say 2 contracts closed? Like, she just said 2 more. So one or the other. Either way, she winning. Right. We got my guy Jason Payne right here. Said he got his first cleaning contract today, and this guy just signed up. I want to say it was definitely less than a month ago. If I want to say it was like a couple weeks ago. So shout out to Jason Payne. Right. What else we got? Charles Clark checking in. Who was it? Rasheen Taylor said just closed his first cleaning contract. It's only been 1 month. So there you go. And look, he got his too. Also, both of them new members. All right. $8,000 a year, man. That's what I'm trying to show y'all, man. Just get in the network. All right. Then we got the calculators. I won't show you too many of the calculators. I don't want to give too much of it away. But if you're a member, you can see this page. If you're not a member, it's gonna tell you you can't see this, so don't even try to sign up. So when you first come to this page, you're going to be able to see our stream, my activity stream, and some of the things on it is going to be hidden from you if you're not a member, but you can preview it a little bit, right? But if you try to click on the calculator or anything, it's going to boot you out of there, right? So we have commercial calculator, residential calculator, special bid calculator. You can create proposals. All right, so there's an office proposal. They got all different type of proposals up there, right? So you go back. All right, we got invoice generator. You can get leads here, the course. So if you click here, you see the different courses that we have. Cleaning Biz Starter course is here, and you see I can complete it. I completed the course. Once you complete the course and you pass the actual exam, because we do have an exam at the end, you get your CBN certification. You just download the certificate right there. All right, what else we got? Tutorials. So if you need to know how to use the calculators and proposals, study updating those, the tutorials. And then also you can click here at my account to cancel it anytime you want. And actually I'm gonna click it so I can show you something. So you can cancel your subscription at any time you want. You can edit your basic information. Click here to cancel your subscription or resume a subscription or pause it. Edit your payment method. This is just what is this? This right here, the affiliate program. All right, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. We do 50% commission. So anytime, and this is actually, I gotta get rid of this. They don't even apply anymore. Again, we're in the process of changing all of this. You don't need a discount code because the leads are already discounted for you once you're a member. All right, we got it automatically set up for you, right? But you definitely want to take advantage of the affiliate program, because if you paying $49 a month, or if you paying $4.99 for the year, you're going to get 50% from anybody that paid that. So if they pay every month, you're getting half of that $49 every single month, right? So you can imagine how that'll turn into passive income for you, recurring every single month, right? So everybody eats. All right, you can see as well, same things are here: courses, video. I mean, this is literally a whole social network, right? So everything about you is going to be on that tab. I'm going to go back to the home page, and that's pretty much all we got, y'all. So everything that we had, from leads to courses to I mean, unit calculators, right? Proposal to everything is now in the Clean Biz Network. This is the Clean Biz Network hub. It's in mobile app as well. You can pull it up right in the app store, wherever you get your apps from, and you search Clean Biz Network or Calculated Clean. It 9 times out of 10 is gonna pop right up, y'all. So this is why you can see the changes everything has been changed on CleanBizNetwork.com. All right, so if you go back to CleanBizNetwork.com, you can see things have been changed here, and this is why, because we're bringing it all in house now. Everything you want to get leads, join Clean Biz Network. You want to use the calculator, you want mentorship, because I do weekly coaching calls every Wednesday 5 p.m. only for Clean Biz Network members, y'all. 5 p.m. Eastern time. All right, and then you get this. If you get this, you also get lifetime membership to the Clean Biz Network, by the way, just so you know. But this is the high ticket program. This is for the big dogs. If you ain't already hired, don't try to get this and you know you just started. If you ain't already hired somebody before, if you ain't already, you know what I mean? Like, if you don't already know how to run a business just regular, don't get this yet. Make sure that you actually in business before you get this. But if you in business and you having trouble either keeping employees long term or workers long term, or if you're having trouble with bringing in customers on a consistent basis, this is for you. Alright, so that's what I got for y'all. Show my face at the end. I'm AJ Simmons. Appreciate y'all watching, and I will go ahead and put the outro on this. Thank y'all. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.